Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Teleten, where we help you stay connected with the people that you love. So in today's video, we'll be discussing about different types of outdoor antennas that are used outside of your home, outside of your office, on the terrace. Mostly these are cellular antennas and can be used with mobile network boosters or routers or with your Beetle phone as well. So without wasting any of your time, let me quickly start showcasing you different types of antennas, when they are used and what are the purposes of the same. So to begin with, we have a very simple, this is called as the patch panel antenna, which has a gain of 9 dBi and can take signals from very far away. This product is primarily used because it is cost effective and it works primarily for city purposes. If you are living in remote and rural areas, we would not recommend this antenna. Moving forward, we have this omnidirectional antenna. This omnidirectional antenna is a very great product. Why? Because you don't need to point this antenna in any direction. Since it's an omnidirectional antenna, it can take the signals from 360-degree angle and there is no need to point it. Moving forward, let's say if you're located in a little bit remote areas, then these omni antennas or patch panel antennas may not give you the desirable results. So for that, we have a log periodic antenna, which is also called as the LPDA antenna. This LPDA antenna that we have, it has a gain of 12 dBi and can take the signals from far away towers, used very well in a remote or rural areas. We have a big brother of this antenna, which is a 14 dBi LPDA antenna, which is also used in remote or rural areas. You can clearly see the difference in their size. 14 dBi is a powerful antenna for people who are in the most remote areas of the country. Now we have the biggest, the most highest gain antenna that we have for cellular network, which is this Yagi antenna, and can have a gain of up to 24 dBi. Even if you're located in the jungle or in the farthest areas, this indigenous Yagi antenna will give you the most desirable result and an excellent reception. In case if you have any doubts, any confusion about these antennas, or if you need more information, you can call us on the number below. We'll be happy to educate you more on this. Thank you so much and have a great day.